Car detected. BMW X4. Location: Barbes cars.
Connection established.
Let's start. Detecting all the dirty places in the car. Too much dust. Second mission: clean and remove all the dust in the car. I'll choose some music for you. Enjoy. Nice work.
Let it be.
Mission accomplished. The third mission: washing the car.
Let it be.
Time for the snow foam. Mission accomplished. The fourth mission: moving to chemical decontamination process. This process is so necessary. The clay bar removes any further embedded contamination like irons and tars in the surface of the car. Now, it's time to dry the car. Mission accomplished. In the next parts, we will show you the polishing and ceramic coating. See you there. This video is powered by Western Brothers Company.